Do you ever wonder what your dog truly wants from you? Most dog owners believe they're already doing everything right. We feed our dogs, take them on walks, buy them toys, and give them a comfortable home. But even with all that care, there are still a few simple things dogs wish their owners would do more often. Dogs may not speak our language, but they communicate their feelings and needs through their behavior every single day. The problem is that many owners simply don't recognize these signals. In today's video, we're going to reveal 10 things dogs absolutely love that most owners rarely do. Some of these things take only a few minutes, but they can dramatically improve your dog's happiness and strengthen the bond between you and your furry friend. Make sure you stay until the end, because the last one is something almost every dog secretly hopes their owner will start doing today. Number 1. Talking to your dog like they truly understand you. Many dog owners only speak to their dogs when giving commands like sit, stay, or come. But dogs actually love hearing their owner's voice throughout the day. Even though they may not understand every word you say, they are extremely good at recognizing tone, emotions, and patterns in speech. When you talk to your dog casually, whether you're explaining your day or greeting them when you come home, your dog feels included and connected to you. Studies have shown that dogs pay very close attention to the emotional tone of human voices. When they hear a happy and warm tone, it makes them feel safe and loved. You may have noticed your dog tilting their head when you speak to them. This adorable behavior happens because they are trying to focus on the sounds you're making and understand what you mean. Talking to your dog also strengthens your emotional bond. It reassures them that they are part of your life and that they matter to you. Something as simple as saying good morning, praising them when they behave well, or calmly chatting with them while relaxing can make your dog feel incredibly valued. Number 2. Letting them sniff freely during walks. Most dog owners think a walk is only about physical exercise. They walk quickly, pull the leash when their dog stops, and try to finish the walk as fast as possible. But for dogs, the most exciting part of a walk is actually the opportunity to sniff their surroundings. A dog's nose is thousands of times more sensitive than a human's. Through smell, dogs can learn about other animals, people, and changes in their environment. Every scent they encounter tells a story about what has happened in that area. When your dog stops to sniff a tree, a patch of grass, or a bush, they are gathering information about their world. It's almost like reading messages left by other dogs. By rushing them along, owners often remove one of the most mentally stimulating parts of the walk. Allowing your dog to sniff freely for a few moments can greatly enrich their experience. It engages their brain, reduces boredom, and makes walks far more satisfying. Number 3. Gentle physical affection and calm touch. Dogs are highly social animals that thrive on physical connection. Gentle petting, belly rubs, ear scratches, and calm touches can have a powerful emotional effect on them. When you pet your dog slowly and calmly, their body releases hormones that reduce stress and create feelings of comfort and happiness. Interestingly, humans experience the same effect. This is why interacting with dogs can be so relaxing for people as well. Many dogs show their desire for affection by leaning against their owners, placing their head on your lap, or rolling onto their back. These behaviors are signs of trust and vulnerability. However, some owners are often too busy to spend a few quiet moments simply giving their dog affection. Even just sitting next to your dog and gently stroking their fur for a few minutes can help them feel safe and loved. This kind of calm interaction strengthens the emotional bond between you and your dog in a very meaningful way. Number 4. Playing interactive games together. Dogs love playing games, but what they enjoy most is playing with their owner rather than playing alone. Interactive games like fetch, tug of war, or hide and seek allow dogs to release energy while strengthening their bond with you. These activities combine physical exercise with mental engagement. Dogs feel happiest when they can share exciting moments with their favorite human. Regular playtime also helps prevent behavioral problems that can occur when dogs have too much unused energy. Even just 10 minutes of interactive play can greatly improve your dog's mood and overall well-being. Number 5. Being included in daily life. Dogs naturally want to feel like part of the family. They don't just want to exist in the same house. They want to feel included in what their owners are doing. When dogs are allowed to sit near you while you watch television, relax while you work, or spend time with you during everyday activities, it helps them feel secure and valued. Dogs are social animals that form deep emotional attachments to their owners. Being included in daily life reassures them that they belong. Excluding dogs from family interactions for long periods can make them feel lonely or anxious. Number 6. Spending undistracted quality time together. Perhaps the most meaningful thing dogs love is simple, undistracted time with their owner. In today's world, many people are constantly distracted by phones, work, or other responsibilities, but dogs can easily sense when your attention is divided. When you put away distractions and spend time fully focused on your dog, it strengthens your emotional connection. Whether it's playing, cuddling, or simply sitting together, these moments are incredibly important for your dog. Dogs measure love through time and attention. Even a short period of focused bonding can make your dog feel happier and more secure. Dogs may not speak our language, but their actions reveal what they truly value. We discussed today are simple habits that can make a huge difference in your dog's happiness and well-being. By talking to your dog, letting them explore, giving them affection, teaching them new things, and spending quality time together, you can create a deeper connection with your furry companion. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these things does your dog enjoy the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about dog behavior and understand what your dog is really trying to tell you, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our next video.